Ciao, mi chiamo Linda e io studio italiano al Freestyle Language Center. The May Immersion really helped me get prepared for my upcoming Italy trip because we talked about a lot of things relative to travel. We learned how to buy a train ticket, for instance. I had no idea it was so complicated. So that was really helpful. Ordering things in a restaurant, just general conversation and little phrases that you might not know that an average Italian person would say, and it kind of makes you feel like you're ahead of the game when you get over there. It really helps you feel more embedded in the culture. Oh, that's hard to say because I love so much of it, but I would say the fact that doing it in the immersion way, moving along at a quicker pace, really got me more conversational and more confident. Our teacher, Patrizia, was excellent at nobody makes a mistake. You know, if you don't say it right, just keep going, and that, I think, carries a lot of weight, and having a lot more confidence to speak it. My favorite word in Italian would probably have to be food related because I love Italian food, and it's tagliatelle.